The automatic labeling machine works for the labeling of labels from above on the plane of lids or boxes. Automatic labeling machine for the labeling of self-adhesive labels from above on the lids of packages. Economical and easy to operate machine used in the pharmaceutical, cosmetics and food industries for the labeling of cartons of drugs, cosmetics and beverages. The output is 30 至150 labels per minute. Weight 200 kilograms. Full service installation, training, startup, repair, meets the standard of GMPI. We provide a detailed instruction of how to set up this model of labeling machine. Prior to shipment, the labeling machines are checked and tested at the factory. Completeness and operability is guaranteed. Experienced specialists of Minipress company will help you choose the right model of equipment.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.